Welcome to EDU World Space.
Here's the problem 62 in chapter 19. Part A, we need to compare the value of delta G and delta H. So we have the reaction SO2 gas plus SRO gas reacting to give SrSO3 solid. So if a reaction goes from gas state to solid state, the degree of freedom decreases. So the entropy of the system decreases. Delta S of the system will be a negative number, or you can say less than 0. And then we know that delta G equal to delta H minus T delta S. So if delta S is a negative number, T is always a positive number. Minus T delta S, this part will result in a positive number. So now delta G is equal to delta H plus a positive number. Then we know that delta G is less negative than delta H. All right, part 2. If you had only standard enthalpy data for this reaction, how would you estimate delta G? So we can estimate delta S0 for this reaction and then use delta G0 equal to delta H0 minus T delta S0 to calculate. So since there is no sulfide salt in the appendix, so you can use some reactions similar, such as CO2 gas plus CaO giving CaCO3 solid. This is solid. Or you can also use CO2 gas plus BaO solid giving BaCO3 solid. You can use either of these two, or you can also calculate both of them and take the average. So once you have the delta S of these reactions, you plug it into this equation and you can get delta G.